Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. If this is your first time viewing my channel, go ahead and hit that like button down below. How about that? So anywho, in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be cleaning up my corner, my study corner, and just kind of reconfiguring my desk. They opened up HomeGoods where I'm at, so a girl has been really basking in the ambiance because y'all, I have always wanted to go into a HomeGoods, and they finally opened one where I am. So in today's video, I'm kind of just reconfiguring it because if you are new here, I am a first-time nursing student, a first semester nursing student, I should say. So I need room to write, and my desk does not provide that for me. So I'm going to make it do what I gotta do. Anywho, so yeah, I'm just cleaning off my desk, and I'm just gonna be really just trying to reconfigure it and zhuzh it up a little bit, just to make sure that I'm comfortable in this area since I spend a lot of time here. But if you are curious to where I got anything, I don't know if I can link it because I got it at HomeGoods, but yeah, I just pretty much got everything at HomeGoods, so I'm not sure if I can link it all, but if I can try to link it for you. But I'll stop talking so you guys can enjoy the music and me cleaning off my desk.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste, it's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you.
Alright, so I got most of it cleaned up. I got most of the stuff from HomeGoods because I just needed to figure out a better way to store everything, because I was about to try to get a new table, but I'm really trying to save money. And all the tables I saw on Amazon were crazy expensive. I found a couple corner desks that were on the lesser side. I'm just like, you know what? This is gonna do just fine just now. It saves me money. I'd rather spend, I think I spent at HomeGoods, I spent like $70 on everything. That's including those two things, the manager stand, the rock salt, and then some little extras that I got. But I feel like it opened up my desk a lot more. It doesn't feel as closed in this, or like, you know, outwards. I feel like it's kind of like plain Jane, and it's just my study area. It doesn't need to be aesthetically pleasing. I just got that rock lamp for like when I'm sitting late at night, so it sets the mood. But this is my study corner. It's messy right there. Don't mind all that, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm working with on my little study corner right here. Keep it super simple. I don't need nothing too crazy. But yeah, so I just decided to kind of clean up my desk and try to remove all that stuff. I may get a new desk, I don't know, but right now I'm really trying to save money because nursing school is expensive AF already, and I'm only in the first semester. So I'm like, you know what, this thing, if it can get me through the first year, then maybe summer before year 2 I'll get a new desk. But for right now, this works, it still works. But yeah, so here is my little study corner. I'm about to clean up the rest of my room, but I just figured I would record me kind of cleaning and redoing my desk area. I really didn't do much, I just moved around stuff. But now I need to fix my monitors because now it's going to be backwards, so I need to fix that when I plug that in. But yeah, it's my little thing. So